Hello everyone, this is Millipack founder Wilson Wang, and this is the paper, semi-finished paper, and then we put the semi-finished paper, the workers take it, and then she put it on site, she put it on the machine, and then this is the folding machine. The machine will be folded, folding machine will be folded, and after that, it's a finished products. And then the machine is folding. It's folding one by one like this. And each minute, our folding machine is about 60 pieces every minute. And then after folding with the glue, and now it's like this. So this one will be taken out. The worker will be checked one by one, and then checks the glue is okay, and everything is fine. And then she will put in the machine, put the poly bag, and then pack it. After package and put it in the carton, and then put on the pallet. This is for the folding and packaging processes. For the packaging, first the machine folding, and then this is the quality control of the paper. This is the customer samples, and then the customer sample here is the information for the orders, the order information. The workers will be see that. Food is here for the counting by weight. Each sleeve, for example, the 50 pieces or the 100 pieces is according to the weight.